let's do, what do you say we do wine? Here's wine.
All right, let's go pop quiz. What are you going to use for wine?
Stain magic.
There you go.
Okay, I'm going to tell you one more secret. These bottles for stain magic and red relief, you can use them with red relief. Can you use it in a stain magic bottle? You use stain magic in a red relief bottle. But with that being said, wash them out with water first. Make sure there's nothing else in them, because if you mix stain magic and red relief, you'll get a
Violent reaction.
Because I did accidentally.
Yeah.
I was in a class. I was pouring this back in the bottles for the distributor, and I was talking, and I poured that stain on that red relief, and it scared the crap out of me. It was like, whew. But anyways,
Really?
yeah, it was an interesting reaction. I'm just glad it was just me and one other person in the room, because everybody would laugh at me. So you're going to pour B into B, A into A with these chambers, dual chamber sprayers.
Everybody's got their own style.
Well, I should use a funnel.
So we better do that outdoors so we can bring it in, right?
I don't do this. I use a funnel. First of all, we fill these up at the shop.
Do they make that dual sprayer that fits the bottles that come?
I asked them to. It'd be wonderful if they know they don't.
It would get kind of heavy with the 2 quarts. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to treat it.
Carrying bag.
Now, what you're going to see here, I've seen this in the house this week, and I know this is a new piece of carpet, but I've actually seen it several times like this in the house. Matter of fact, when I go into a home and before they'd have wine, say like, well, we got some wine here. I'm like, oh, I'll do the best I can. I'm thinking to myself, cha-ching. But I don't tell them that, you know, because if you charge them $15 to take that wine out, you say, well, that's no problem. Well, you said, well, no problem. Why charge me $15? But as you see right now, it's already reacting. And as we leave it here, it's going to be gone in no time.
Now, which solution is that?
That's stain magic.
Stain magic.
Okay?
That you don't have to rinse off, right?
No,
Just
you
leave it
don't.
there.
No, great. Good way to remember. Stain magic and stain one, you leave it.
It's magic.
Okay?